we got a treat for you today.
Literally a treat.
We like to make food videos and recipe videos, but the one thing that really holds me back is that I just don't keep recipes to like anything. It's really hard for me to make something the same way twice, but if there is something that is like a key favorite of ours, it doesn't change much, especially when it's like this simple. So we are gonna make our favorite chocolate banana ice cream. It's not really ice cream, it's coconut milk and banana.
It's really fast and easy dessert, and like I have actually made it myself a few times, and it's delicious when I make it even.
If we get the craving, the sugar craving, the chocolate craving, the banana craving, I love bananas, then this is easy to whip up and for us to have something that's a treat.
Yeah. Anyone can do this, and there's a special request from our sister-in-law, Jessie. So here you go, Jessie. Enjoy. This is my wife, Laura.
This is my wife, Jackie.
And this is our life.
All right, Jackie is behind the camera today. And we got overhead camera. And we got a big monitor. Using our TV as a monitor. Pretty cool, huh? So let's make some banana chocolate treat. Okay, so these are the 3 ingredients that you need. You need bananas, you need coconut milk, and you need this cocoa. This cocoa is very dark cocoa. I think they can call it black cocoa. I got this at Bulk Barn. It's like anyone who is like a big lover of OREOs, this is the cocoa you want to get. But you can use any cocoa from the grocery store, but I'm down with this. So these are the perfect bananas. These spots mean that the sugar is ready to go. There's many times that Jackie asked me to make this, and I will say, bananas are not ripe yet. And that's because this means that the sugar in the banana is like perfect. You can make this with any ripeness of banana, but if you want it to be sweet, you want the sugars and the bananas to be ready. So these are the 3 ingredients. Okay, once I have nice spotty bananas, I put them in the freezer and I use them for smoothies, banana pancakes, or to make this. So I'm just gonna put all these into a Ziploc bag. But if you are like ready to go and you wanna eat this right away, what you're gonna wanna do is to chop the banana into small pieces and freeze it on a cookie sheet. If you already have bananas in the freezer, that's the way to go. Okay, so this is perfect for the freezer. This is a bag of frozen bananas. We all know bananas come in different shapes and sizes. But for this, you know, you kind of gotta approximate. I like to use 1.5 bananas per person. So when Jackie and I are having this, I will use 3 bananas. This is super important. This is what's gonna make this food processor. You can also use a blender. Never tested it, but I'm sure you can. Let's get to the process. Bananas are in. This is 3 tablespoons of cocoa. So let's just put that in. Giving this coconut milk a good shake. Boa is coming, and he loves this banana treat, and he really loves coconut milk. I'm gonna measure out a 1/2 cup. So we're gonna get that ready, that coconut milk. Look at this. Can you see this chocolatey swirl? Oh, it looks so good. So here's the deal. If you eat this right away, that's my suggestion, because it has like this perfect soft serve type texture, but it melts super fast because it's not really frozen. But you can put it in the freezer for like 10 or 15 minutes if you want it to like harden up a little bit. Like, look how chocolatey that is. Like, have you ever seen anything so chocolatey in your life?
How is it?
It's the best. Like, that cocoa is so chocolatey. Let's get this in some bowls so we can eat it. This only has 3 ingredients. We got banana, coconut milk, and cocoa. So that means it's sugar-free, it's dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, lots of free.
Checks all the boxes. This is so good.
You want to add a fourth ingredient?
Ooh, that's fun.
Sprinkles.
Everybody, you should try this. It's very easy and so delicious and like kind of healthy, right?
I would say so.
I think it's healthy.
I think it's still I feel like you could eat this for breakfast if you want. It's basically a smoothie.
We should eat this for breakfast.
If you guys want more recipe videos, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel because so many of you who are watching aren't subscribed. And it tells us that you're not subscribed. So help us out. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching another Wife Life Life video. We make videos every Friday. And until then, hope you have a good one.
Have a good week.
I love ice cream.